Hello everyone, I decided to remove the door lock in my car. As you can see, it is secured by 2 bolts. You might think it's simple enough to use a 12-point M8 socket bit for this. But in the door where I need to remove the lock, the previous owners of the car wore down the edges of these bolts. Apparently, they didn't have the right socket, so they used some other tool to loosen them. Now, none of my keys fit, and it looks like I'll have to drill these bolts out. So here's what I decided to do. I took a thin 0.12 inches drill bit and used it to make a hole in each of the bolts. Then I insert any compatible socket into that hole. In my case, I used a Torx T25 socket. Once you've inserted the socket, you should be able to unscrew the bolt. As you can see, I made sure to align the hole properly, and then I inserted the socket into it, allowing me to unscrew the bolt. As you can tell, it's not too complicated. The main thing is to buy new bolts to replace the old ones. By the way, I noticed that those who tried to use mismatched sockets not only damaged the paint on the door, but also left small dents in it. After all the repair work was done, I bought new original bolts and tightened them in place of the old ones. I have an Audi A6 C5, so I included the part numbers for these bolts in the video description. That's all for now. See you in the next videos.